Everybody's playing rough today. Deja. What you doing? Bella. Deja. Bella. They're just attacking each other. Romeo! Come here, buddy. Come on. Hey, you two. You're being rough. Romeo. Sheba's interested in the camera case. Hey, you guys. Where you going, Deidro? Where you going? Don't want to go underneath. I don't want to sit on you. Silly girl. Silly little girl. Sheba, what are you doing, pretty girl? And here's Romeo. Romeo. What you doing, buddy? What you doing, buddy? Here comes Bobby. Jackie. What you doing, Jackie? Do the rabbit kick, Jackie. Romeo. Angel. Go get Romeo. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her, Romeo. Come on, you can jump. Go get her. Whoa. Saved. Oh, good save, Romeo. Silly boy. Silly boy. Silly boy. Hi, Jackie. You getting pretty green eyes, buddy. Oh, there goes Bella. Bella's climbing up the chair. There she goes. Come on, mantle move. You got it, girl. Come on. Yay, Bella. What's up there? Something new to smell. Sheba. She was a little bit more of a loner. She plays with her siblings, but she likes to spend time grooming her pretty fur and doing her own thing. Right, Sheba? There's Bella up on the chair exploring. How high can I go? Oh my goodness. How high can I go? What you doing, Bobby? You like my shoelaces, don't you, girl? Yes, you do. Jackie. There's Deidro. There's my crazy little Deidro's little runt of the litter, but she is powerful. Oh, there goes Bella. She's bound and determined to get to the summit. Are you tired, Sheba? You tired all of a sudden? It's so funny how they can fall asleep at the drop of a hat. Romeo, what you doing, buddy? Romeo, what are you doing? What are you doing? Bobby has a shoe lace fetish for sure. Hi, Bella, did you make the summit? Good girl.